Say it.
Alcohol.
Today is the second day of Nagpur and we are sitting in this thing. Where are we going? Chicholi. We have some help camp.
The bat is melodious, similar to the person that we named the bat after.
He's the only person we are missing a lot right now.
We need to give a clue.
Himesh Reshamya.
Tell the people what we named it.
Sumit, do you know what we have named the bat?
I'll give you a
No?
It's
Then-
More disrespectful.
I think if the bat was a bear, it would have been better.
The bat owes us a lot of money.
Bat has lost a lot of bets to us.
Yes.
Bet कौन हारता है अपने से?
Yeah. Baat. Poor guy is still bleeding.
Similar to our ears when he sings.
तो ठीक है, इसका सुनाई नहीं देता, उसका सुनाई देता.
Say Bomjia to the dog. Come on.
Aaron,
Say
come
to
on.
someone.
Look
Say
at
to
it,
the dog.
Bomjia.
Look at him, he's a softcore snowflake.
शिट्टी मी वाजवलेली गेले ते
Yeah, they always get confused.
French influencer who started poking people in France, pumping air into their bodies. He got arrested. Now he's in
I didn't think
jail.
I've ever heard of. And it's like poking people, pumping air.
2 years
Please narrate
ago.
the story.
3 years ago. No, I'm in third grade. That's the third year.
What happened?
I was walking, then I lost balance and I fell into a nala filled with organs, blood, and carcass still here.
And
Top
shit.
5 experiences in your life. Huh?
Yeah, top experiences. Then I had to go to the cattle shed and get hosed down.
दुबई में नहीं मिलेगा.
And I was walking from afar and looking at him, and I thought some weird kind of a dress fashionish thing he's doing. Like this much part was black.
Then I had to get hosed down in the buffalo shed. And then I went back home and I came back after an hour.
He came back.
Yeah, he came
I
back.
came back because I didn't want to miss lectures.
We are done with vaccination camp. अभी हम लोग चल के जा रहे हैं क्योंकि गाड़ी पे जगह नहीं था. So we are going to do 2 rounds.
The first documented instance of a black mamba found in India for the very first time.
Especially in Nagpur.
Never before has this been seen. My God!
Shreyas!
आली गाड़ी आली. Let's go. We are back in the pickup truck. Dun, 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 dun.
मत बोलो.
Put your hands like this, yeah. Honestly? Put one hand here, like this.
I can see you bending.
That's because Samir is becoming fat.
Bags of clothes.
Laundry boys assembled.
The dhobis are back. He's talking about his imported chaddis.
My dad bought them from China. They're like insanely comfortable. You don't even feel them there.
Aaron wants to try.
You're not
Show.
No, that's just disgusting.
No, hey, like and subscribe for Ryan's chaddis.
If this vlog receives... No. Be realistic. Be realistic. 15 likes. 15 likes.
20 likes and Ryan's chaddi reveal next
Yes.
20 likes. One of
The imported chaddis.
One special subscriber wins a video of Ryan in his Superman underwear.
Superman.
And he's Superman.
They don't like each other enough.
Chocolate chai review.
It's quite nice. This is my second time having it.
Rated on 10.
A 6.57.
7 on 10, yeah. Candy review.
A 9.5 out of 10.
10 on 10, dude.
7.43, just 0.13 less.
Good morning, everyone. This is our first Saturday in Nagpur, which is a holiday at Gorewada. Saturdays and Sundays are off, but we can still go to work. So Sameer, Ishan and Sumit have headed there to watch a PCR reaction. The rest of us stayed home to clean up, get more settled in. We're still patching up things in our house. I asked the landlord for something that could work as a dustbin. He gave me a broken bucket. Sure, we can make that work. Patched up all the cracks and holes, and now I'm making a lid for it. DIY. Because why else did I watch all those videos as a kid? And as the wise man once said, buy an intern a dustbin and he'll organize his trash for one center. Teach him to make a dustbin and he'll get all the trash organized for all of his centers. Let's see how this turns out. Moment of truth. Perfect fit. There's the topper in all his glory, washing his chatti baniya, and another topper, the lazy bum, retiring to his bed. You swept your area, but you don't see this, the dirty fan and the dirty false ceiling with all the dust. Why are you waiting for me to clean it?
Sunday is cleaning day.
Sunday is cleaning, right?
Saturday is chill day.
Yes, of course. What have you done since the morning?
I've worked out, cleaned the room.
We just need some
Pocha mara.
furniture. Good.
We are sitting here waiting for our friend.
Yes.
waiting
Guess
for
who
us
the friend
at
is
the
waiting
gate.
at the gate? Guess who? Gate is locked. He came from back gate and he's waiting for us at the front gate. And we are chilling here.
How long will we wait?
Someone realized something.
Finally,
Unseen
you are
footage.
being seen.
Unseen footage.
Add oil, the garam masala if you want, masala chota kanda cut karke, tomato, saute it, then put the chicken in, fry.
What is happening? Four apart. Explain.
My rose is running.
Post credit.